This is a short video on the Enhanced Notes module, one of the GP Elements add-ons from ISC software. Enhanced Notes extends the standard Microsoft Dynamics GP Notes functionality by allowing multiple separate notes to be recorded against records or windows. The main functionality available in Enhanced Notes is the ability to enter multiple notes against records or windows. These notes are all stamped with the user, the date, and the time the note was added. Security permissions exist so that you can control if any user is able to amend an existing note, delete an existing note, or if they can only input new notes against a record or window. Each note can be emailed to multiple recipients or groups. Tasks can be associated with a note, which is then visible to users through their GP homepage. All existing functionality of the standard GP note, including document attachment, is preserved and available through Enhanced Notes. Notes can be categorized and subcategorized for selective viewing or selective reporting. It's possible to print a full list of the notes off from the system, and notes entered against orders are automatically attached to orders when the transfer to order function is used.